Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about like the principles that I have learned from the program that is Work with Sebastian, and also I'm going to talk about like why you should go for why you should start building your business around the basic principle rather than going with the trends. So it is important that you stick with the principles, because no matter what algorithm changes on Facebook, or no matter if Facebook bans your account or YouTube bans your account, so it's still you're gonna have your business if you build it based on the principles. So I'm gonna cover everything in this video, so please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin, and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'll be documenting my journey on this channel. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button. And also, if you want to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing, be sure to check the first link in the description, that is program created by my mentor. And coming back to today's topic, like why you should go for principles rather than going for trends. So many people, like nowadays, many marketers teach this way, like they see like whatever is trending, is it ManyChats or chatbots, or there are any other trend that is going on online. So they teach people about that trend, and the people who follow them, like there is a very less chance that they will be successful. But still, if they are successful, like if the changes happen in the algorithm, or there are many major change happened, like again they need to start building from scratch. So that's the disadvantage of going with the trends. Like I highly don't recommend that. I try to go with the old school way, that is building your business based on the basic core principles. And that is what has been taught in the program that I have been currently going through, and that has been teaching me a lot of good things, like the core principles, as in like the first one is like content creation, and building your email list, and building your audience. And this is what I meant by core principles. So now talking about the first one is like creating content. So if you are not creating content, like if you are just building your business, like if you're trying to run ads, you just focused on more on sales, like that's well and good, like you're making money, you're generating sales, that's very well and good. But what happens, like if tomorrow Facebook bans your ad account, like if they find any activity on your ad account, this all of a sudden they come and ban your account, and many things can happen, especially with Facebook ads. And I have seen many people facing their, like losing their business. So if that happens tomorrow, like you're gonna lose out on the revenue that you are generating. Even if you're generating 10 grand every single day, still you're gonna make big losses if the account is get banned. So this is number one, like if you don't have an audience. But what if you create content and build an audience? Like many people will say, hey, I'm not that comfortable creating content, I don't want to show up my face on face on the camera. Like, is there a way I can do it like without showing my face? Yes, definitely there are multiple ways where you can do that, but I highly recommend like you creating your own brand, that because people trust from people buy from people, and people trust. So it's if we show that face, like they connect with you much, and very much, and whatever you're gonna sell, like they're gonna purchase. So that's kind of like you're gonna always have an upper hand on while you're creating your personal brand. So I highly recommend that. And if you don't want to do that, like if you want to change your life, you want to get out of your whatever thing you're stuck right now, if you want to build your online business, like you got to come up and you got to take action. So that's the important step that I wanted to discuss. So creating content, like this is the basic principle. Like even while I started my business like a couple of years back, like I was not that great active, but even though like I was making some momentum, even though I was making money, I was not creating content. I never felt that momentum, like I'm building my business. So once I started creating content on this channel, right now I have more than over 90 videos, and like it may not bring the revenue right now, but definitely in the coming days it's gonna bring more revenue, because these videos are stacking up. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna show up your face, like you're gonna come up with a video content or a blog post or any type of content, like be it on Instagram or be it on Facebook, like you're gonna come up with your content, and that should provide value to people. And once you start doing it on a consistent basis, like people are gonna come around you, and you're gonna build that audience, and you become attractive, and people gonna start more crystal clear, like laser, like targeted top people will start coming, gathering around you. Once that happens, you don't have to go and sell to just like running ads, like you don't have to do that. Like once you have the audience, like you can ask people like what product they would like to know, what service they want to have. you can discuss with them. Then once you get that approval, you can create a product around that particular topic. Or if you are an affiliate, like you can sell your affiliate products that obviously provides value to your audience. So you can change any type of product, because those audience, once they come around you, like they're gonna stick with you for a longer time, and you can keep on producing different offers because you have provided so much value for free in the beginning. So that's the importance of creating content and building an audience. So this is one of the core principles that you should be focusing on if you are just starting out with your online business. I know it's gonna take you're gonna feel some pain, and you're coming out of your comfort zone, creating videos every single day. So but it's worth it, guys. Just trust me, it's worth it. So you have to follow this basic principle. Another basic principle that I like to talk about is building your email list. Many people don't focus on this because it is an online asset that you own. So for example, if you're building right now I'm building my content on YouTube. Like if I lose out my channel, like if for some reason like YouTube bans my channel, like I lose every audience that I built on YouTube. So the way you want to build is like, you want to produce content on the platforms. At the same time, you want to also build your email list. So email list is something like you will own forever. So once you have that list, you can promote, you can provide value. Again, you can follow up, you can pitch different offers, you can provide your consultation. So you're going to build that audience around that in your list as well. So you want to build your audience on any platform, in the same time you're going to build your audience on your email list as well. So if you do it like this way, like you will have your presence everywhere, and you have an online asset as well. And with this email list, trust me guys, you can always build trust with your email list, and you can provide value, and you can make more money than whatever you thought of, or like that is the core principle. So once you have your email list, like no matter what algorithm changes tomorrow, no matter what trend changes tomorrow, but these core principles still remain, and you will have your business until like as long as you are building your list and you're building your audience. So and also like you want to create irresistible offers to people. So now you have built your audience, like you're providing massive value for free, and you've built the trust with your audience, you've built your email list, you're providing value to your email list. Now the time comes like you want to provide irresistible offer. Like it could be an affiliate offer, like you add your bonuses, could be a strategy call, or could be your one-on-one support for a week. So there are bonuses that you can add to affiliate product, or if you have the own product, like you can add some more bonuses. Just say like if you buy today, like you're gonna get these bonuses as well. So that kind of irresistible offer you're gonna create, and you're gonna provide value to your people. So these are the core principles that you should follow, rather than following the trends that is like you see, like how to get somebody to click on my affiliate link or click on my payout check. So there are multiple ways where you can do this business. Definitely you may want to follow like Facebook organic. There are multiple ways where people go ahead and generate revenue. Definitely they are the best ways, because right now they are trending. But at the same time, you also want to build this follow your business based on these core principles. That is like creating a content, building your audience, building your email list, providing value to your email list, building trust with your email list, and creating irresistible offer. So this is a simple formula. These are the core principles. If you follow this for a longer time, I'm sure like you will see massive results in your online business. And I just wanted to cover this topic because I just don't want you to go on a follow trends rather than following the core principles. So these are the principles very well taught in Work with Sebastian program, and that is what I'm following right now, and I'm seeing results as well. So I just wanted to share with you so that you don't get distracted. And if you want to learn more about this program, be sure to check the first link in the description. That is one of the greatest program I have ever taken. I'm sure it will help you. And if you need any help with your online business, you can connect with me. I'll leave my email address in the description. And if you're enjoying my content, please do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.